very famous collection of picture cars. You are seeing just a few of them on your including some of the Back to the Future picture cars. We have two of the Fast and Furious picture cars from the Fast series. The second one, Too Fast, Too Furious. F9 came out just last weekend, breaking pandemic box office records. Now, Fast and Furious has become our biggest grossing film franchise here at Universal. And another one of our biggest are the Jurassic Park movies. Between Jurassic Park 1, 2, 3, and Jurassic World, the two Jurassic Parks.
That's the Jurassic. Oh, this is from the first movie, 1999, I believe. Spiderweb. Oh, look! Oh! I didn't get it. Look how wet. Woo!
Sorry about what he's doing here, but there he is. Now some guys look like you need a bit of a nap, right? Get a little sleepy, get a little nappy poo. This kid right here, he's like, I want to take a nap, dude. I'm so tired. Get me off of this thing.
If you are a JP fan, I've got some exciting news for you. We are going to take you there. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Okay, maybe oversold that just a little bit. This isn't really Jurassic Park, but hey, this is as close as many of us are ever going to get to Jurassic Park. This is an area of the backlog where Universal keeps some of the set pieces and picture cars that were featured in the first 3 Jurassic Park movies, including the boat over here on your right, which you might remember from Jurassic Park 3, the mobile lab over here on your left, which you might remember from the Lost World Jurassic Park. Now, it was featured in this really intense scene, I don't know if you remember it. They got pushed off a cliff by this angry T-Rex and raining. Oh my goodness, guys, I am so sorry. I forgot to tell you. Watch out too. I forgot to tell you. Those are Galapagos. I'm very excited to see you again. Like the show affection. Now, here's the scene of some.
Let them see what kind of a person I am.
Well, from the Bates Hotel, we now take you to the spectacular plane crash set site from Steven Spielberg's Over a Hundred Miles. Now that is an actual 747 jumbo jet. You see over there, it was destroyed specifically for this incredible scene from the film.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision of Steven. When you first began to sit down to talk about the Lord of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes on right in the big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Listen to me. Listen, now listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Got them closed? Robbie, get in. Get in.
This is one of the largest sets ever constructed for a film, rivaling James Cameron's Titanic and Cecil B. DeMille's Ten Commandments. And despite the use of these life-size realistic sets, the film featured more than 500 special effects.
The airplane site set is a perfect example of a set
Is something about to
that
happen?
is all designed around the vision that Stephen had.
When you first began to sit down to talk about the order of the world, I thought, what if the things would have been right in a big neighborhood?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have our